Hi everybody, welcome to our channel by name Stock Market Way. In this video, we'll be discussing about the post-closure analysis of the stock market, that is Bank Nifty and three stocks on daily basis. Today on Monday, that is on 13th of December, what was the moment happened and how the rally was upside and even downside also. We'll discuss both the things one by one. Okay, first we'll go with the Bank Nifty. As you could see, now it is 2:30 to 40. It's coming. Another 40 to 50 minutes are left for the completion of the trading hours on Monday. There was a very good down rally on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. As you could see on the chart itself, it has as the previous closure was the 37,246. From there it directly opened with exactly 250 points gap up. From there it has just went only 200 points up. That means you cannot, even if you are intraday trader, you cannot catch from here to here. Gap up also cannot be captured until unless you are having a carry forward trade. Else from here to here also you cannot what I can say, book the profits, because very ample amount of points in future itself. So in this way, in this scenario, what you can do is you have to wait. If for example, if there is a up rally happened, you should wait for the reversal. Not only up rally, if it is a down rally also, if you are not able to enter the trade in the rally, you should always wait for the reversal of the trend. That means after 12 o'clock only the trend has been reversed. Till then there is no sign of any indicators. I mean, nobody was under profit until unless you have carried the trade from the previous closing day, previous trading day. So in this, at after 12 o'clock there was a rally happened. So what you can expect is you can go for 37,600 as the strike price. P, if you open the option chain data of this, 37,600 was the premium at that strike price at that moment of time. But if the premium, if you feel that is higher, you can come little upper, that is you can select 37,600 P, so that you can get some affordable prices. See, 250 is the price around 1220 or even 1210 also. So you can expect like if you enter here, because till that point of time there is no confirmation of the trend, because all the three indicators are above the candlesticks. So only after at this point of time only you can enter the trade. So even if you enter here, easily you can get the within half an hour itself you can get the double the investment. That is, if you are traded in one lot, you can get one lot of profit. If you have entered 10 lots, 10 lots of profit. That means 250 to 500, completely double the premium. Got it in 42, not even, yeah, 40 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes. So in this way you can book the trade. But if you are not comfortable with the option buying, if you are a big capital trader and if you want to enter, 37,600 was the premium at that moment. After 250 to 100 it has reached. That means approximately 150 points in the option selling side. Very easily you can comfortably you can book the profit also here. There is no hurry burry in this moment of time. Same thing happened with the Nifty also. If you could see the Nifty chart, we'll open up Nifty chart. The previous trading closing trading value was 37,560 approximately. From there it opened with not even 100 points. How much? Calculate here, 40 and then 37, 77 points gap up. From there it went till some more 40 more points, 40 more points here, and then from there it started falling. So it made a low of 404. That means 288 points it has been fallen from the higher of the today's value. So now it is 2:40, so almost 40 to 15 minutes of trading hours are left. If we go to the option chain data of the Nifty also as well, we can go for 17,650. We'll open option chain data of this. 17,650 was the premium, but it will be a bit higher. It could come down little downer, either here or even 17,550 also you can consider. 20,550. See from 12 o'clock, but from 10 o'clock itself it started giving the rally, but confirmation, all three candles have confirmed here around 88 rupees around 10-11 o'clock. So you can either enter here or even here also you can enter, and then you can book some points and then you can re-enter here. So if you enter at 75, so completely around 1 o'clock itself it has made 225 points as the premium. So 225 into minus 75 is 150. So Nifty F one lot size is 7,500 rupees. One lot of Nifty is giving 7,500 rupees profit, because there is no sideways or even there is no green candle, all green candles here. These are the Heiken SQ candle formats. So very easily you can wait till the confirmation here and you can get complete bookings here also. You don't book here also, you will get ample time around here also, because still the premiums are running around 193. So your entry point is very important. Coming to the stocks sections discussion, first will be the Cipla. We'll see how the Cipla at moment made the moment today. Yeah, previous closure was 898. There also it opened there only, but made high of 906. So from there 906 to it has made almost 15 points down moment, and from there now it is running at 892. So because this stock is very easy for the practitioner, that is intraday, very the one who is very new to the market. You can do it in equity segments, like you can enter in one quantity and then make a practice of doing the trade in equity segment based on the indicators provided here. Completely you could see here giving the confirmation of sell signal. If you enter here also, if you could book 10 points also, 6,500 rupees profit you can book very easily. Even if you enter here also one lot of Nifty future, we will get 905 to 890 is nothing but how many points, 15 points approximately. Yeah, 15 points, 15 into approximately, God, you can say 10,000 rupees profit. Coming to the Tata Steel section, because stocks usually will give very less amount of moments, because the premium itself are very low. That is because we have selected the premiums in such a manner so that it will be very good for the equity traders. Considering that scenario, we have selected the trades stocks. Same thing happened with Tata Steel also. It was very good, giving a good movement in the upside direction, but from there it started falling. Then 11120121265969, that is the value which is going on now. Approximately 30 points in intraday. One lot of Tata Steel is nothing but the 425 is the lot size, 30 points approximately. So easily you can book 10,000 profit. Coming to the third stock, that is HDFC. That is my favorite stock. Let me open the chart. I hope it will be following the same trend as that of the Bank Nifty, because moreover built on that same thing happened. It is continued the up rally. From there it started falling 28402, 28402, 2850 to 2781. That is 40 plus 20, 60 points, approximately 50 points you can capture in this trend. 50 points is nothing but 300 is the lot size, 15,000 easily you can. So in this way, even if you don't have an option to book in this one, easily you can book in the option chain, option buyer also. Hope always rely on the trends, always rely on the market live chat. Don't rely on any tips and providers. Do the paper trading first, and then only go jump for the live trading, and always have a proper stop loss. How much risk you are able to take it in each and every trade. That is the key point here. Thank you for watching our video. Have a profitable day.